In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align objects vertically in Miro. If you spend a lot of time working on design boards or collaboration spaces in Miro, aligning objects can make your workspace look tidy and professional. Let's dive right into the process and make those elements look perfectly aligned with minimal effort. First, ensure you have your Miro board open, and you can see the objects you want to align. The basic idea here is to select and manipulate the elements until they are perfectly in line vertically. So, let's start by selecting the object or group of objects you wish to align. You'll want to click and drag to highlight them. It's a swift action that isolates the items you need among potentially dozens of other visuals on your board. This step sets the stage for the alignment tool to work its magic. Once your objects are selected, look to your toolbar for the icon that says Align Objects. Finding this option is crucial as it brings up all the alignment options Miro offers. Clicking this button might seem straightforward, but it opens up a host of alignment capabilities that allow for intricate precision in placement, which is incredibly helpful for keeping your designs clean and orderly. Now you have a selection of options at hand. From this menu, click on Align Vertically. This choice will automatically realign your selected objects so they line up perfectly in a vertical straight layout. The beauty of this tool is how it handles multiple objects that are scattered across your board and brings them into a simple, consistent line, which saves you a lot of hassle trying to do this manually and with less room for human error. The changes should now be visible on your board. Take a moment to appreciate how your objects now line up exactly where they should be in relation to each other. This realignment not only boosts the aesthetic appeal of your board, but also contributes to better organization and structure, making it easier for anyone viewing the board to follow your design or layout logic more intuitively. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can take a cluttered board and give it a touch of professionalism by neatly aligning your elements vertically. Remember to explore other alignment options offered by Miro to see how you can further optimize the layout and design of your projects. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Miro board skills. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy designing!